So once we have the transpose of a matrix, two more two more problems are very easily solved. Right? So let me show that quickly. Write an algorithm to check if a matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. Okay, so for this, what is the main thing? This applies only to square matrices, right? So we will also include a check as to whether the matrix is square or not. Okay, so the first algorithm is for symmetric matrix. So this is a check, right? So let's call this check symmetric, right? And the argument is a given matrix A. Of course, we have start and stop. What is the first thing to check? It has to be square. So if it's not square, then just give out an error. So if A dot rows is not equal to A dot calls, just give an error. Error check not possible. Or you say, yeah, let's say check not possible. Some error message. Okay, it's not important what exactly you're giving, but some error message. Else, well, the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, right? So now you can check. So how do you check? So a matrix is symmetric if and only if it is equal to its transpose, right? You agree? So instead, we can simply write else if. What was the code for transpose? Mat transpose A equal to A. Okay, so it will compute the transpose of A and compare it with A itself. If mat transpose A, that's transpose of A is equal to A, then we return true, right? And if that is not true, which means the transpose of A is not equal to A, then we return false. Okay, and this is the end if part. Is that right? It's a simple check. Of course, you can do it element wise, but since we already have a code for transpose, you can use it here. Okay, so if in an exam or somewhere, if this is asked, then you can write this, but then you will have to write the code for the transpose also separately. Okay, that's all. So similarly, skew symmetric is also now easy, right? So let me just write it quickly. Now I'll not say it, I'll just write it, just follow. I'm giving it a name. So when is it skew symmetric? When the transpose of A is equal to minus A. Is that okay? So that is the code for checking skew symmetry. All right. So that is it. So that is about basic operations on matrices. Okay, so let us stop this and then in the next part we will consider some other objects.